SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off name and photo sharing on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. You may have noticed that sometimes when you're communicating with someone on your iPhone, that you get a prompt asking you to create a contact for that person. This is due to a setting called name and photo sharing, and you may find that your contacts are also getting these prompts whenever you contact them. If you would like to disable this setting so that your contacts no longer receive these prompts, then you can turn off name and photo sharing on your iPhone by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Messages option from this menu, and then you can scroll down again and choose the Share Name and Photo option. Now you just need to tap the button to the right of name and photo sharing to turn it off, and then you can tap the Done button at the top right corner of the screen. That's going to take you back to the Messages option, and then you're going to see that the Share Name and Photo setting is set to off, which means that you're no longer going to be prompting your contacts to create new contacts with the information in your contact card.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.